What's up, guys? Hope y'all having a great day. Today we are going to be taking a look at JUICE WRLDs 999 No Vanity sneakers. So let's get right into it. So these sneakers released on March 12th for a retail of $100 each. Each colorway of the three was limited to 600 pairs each. So if you're able to get your hands on these, you have a pretty rare pair of sneakers. And I tried to get all three, but they sold out in 5 minutes. I was able to get 2 colorways, which we're going to look at right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. So right off the bat, JUICE WRLD did have a past release of these, and they actually came with a 999 box, which was pretty cool. The re-release for these three actually comes with a 999 dust bag. Pretty cool, pretty clean. So let's go ahead and open this one up. These are the pink ones. These actually go super hard. On release date, there was no half sizes, only size 8, 9, 10, and 11, I believe. There might have been a 12, but there was no half sizes for these. So right off the bat, they are called No Vanity because of this No Vanity embroidered on the back side. Starting from the bottom, you have your gum midsole. You have your white midsole with pink piping along the sides. Then for your canvas in the front, you have the, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's the 999 logoing. Side panel is solid pink, and your back panel is the No Vanity embroidered on it. Inside you have the 999 logo again with your size tag. They do come with some paper to hold the shape, but yeah, pink colorway, very clean, very dope. And let's go ahead and get into the next one. Next pair right here, also size 9. Here we have the blue ones. So wow, right off the bat, you can definitely see how the 999 pops more compared to the pink ones. The pink is very light, so the white kind of gets lost in it. But yeah, these very clean. Same thing again, starting from the bottom. Gum outsole, white with black piping midsole, 999 front panel, solid blue side panel, and the No Vanity embroidered on the back. That looks sick. Let's go ahead and get some B-roll clips so you guys can get a better look at the shoes. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys copped. What do you guys think about the sneakers? Did you guys get the original release, or were you a fan of the re-release? All in all, I definitely like these blue ones over the pink ones, but I'm glad I got both. If you guys like sneaker content, make sure to drop a sub. I'm always putting out new content sneaker related. And yeah, sneaker collection video is also coming soon, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. And I'll see you next time. Jordan out.